Scribus versus InDesign. Which one should you use? Choosing the right desktop publishing software can completely change how you create stunning layouts without the burden of high costs. Scribus and Adobe InDesign are two prominent choices in this space, each catering to different needs and user experiences. The core difference lies in Scribus being an open source tool designed for budget-conscious users, while InDesign offers a comprehensive suite of features for professionals willing to invest. Scribus is a free open-source desktop publishing software that allows users to create professional quality documents. It operates on multiple platforms, including Windows, Mac OS, and Linux, ensuring accessibility for a wide range of users. Scribus is known for its robust set of features, including advanced typography, color management, and support for various file formats. Its key strengths lie in its affordability and community-driven development, which continuously enhances its capabilities. However, Scribus may present a steeper learning curve for beginners, and its interface can feel less polished compared to commercial alternatives. It is best suited for freelancers, small businesses, or anyone looking to produce high-quality publications without the financial commitment. Adobe InDesign, on the other hand, is a leading industry standard software widely used by graphic designers and publishing professionals. It offers a seamless integration with other Adobe Creative Cloud applications, allowing for a streamlined workflow. InDesign excels in its comprehensive toolset, which includes precise layout controls, extensive pre-flight checks, and a vast library of templates and assets. One of its standout features is the ability to create interactive documents and digital publications, making it ideal for modern publishing needs. Nevertheless, InDesign comes with a subscription-based pricing model, which can be a significant investment for individual users or small teams. It is best suited for professionals who require advanced features and a polished user experience. Feature comparison. When comparing Scribus and InDesign, the differences become apparent in several key areas. In terms of pricing, Scribus stands out as a cost-effective solution, while InDesign's subscription model may deter budget-conscious users. In terms of usability, InDesign offers a more intuitive interface, making it easier for newcomers to adapt. Scribus, while powerful, requires a deeper understanding of desktop publishing principles, which may slow down the initial learning process. In terms of features, InDesign leads with its extensive capabilities for creating interactive content and handling complex projects. Scribus, while competent, may lack some advanced functionalities found in InDesign, such as seamless integration with Adobe's ecosystem. For users focused on print media, both tools provide excellent output quality, but InDesign's pre-flight capabilities ensure a smoother production process. The trade-offs are clear. Scribus is ideal for those who prioritize budget and are willing to navigate a steeper learning curve, while InDesign caters to professionals seeking a comprehensive, polished experience with advanced features. Final thoughts. If you want a powerful, no-cost solution that allows for creativity without financial strain, choose Scribus. If you want a sophisticated, feature-rich tool that integrates seamlessly into a professional workflow, choose InDesign. Ultimately, your decision should reflect your specific needs, budget, and desired level of expertise. The right choice will empower you to produce captivating designs that resonate with your audience.